Good evening, students. Today we are going to learn about how to prepare a frequency distribution. See, these are the marks or achievement of 50 students in a particular subject. How we will make a frequency distribution? Firstly, we will arrange the data, whatever data is given to us, in ascending or descending order. See, I have written here data of 50 students. Let's arrange it in descending order. I'm going to arrange it. In one line, I have written here marks of 12 students. Now I am going to arrange it in descending order. See, in descending order. 72, 69, 65, 63, 61, 58, 56, 55, 53, 52, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, again 44, 43, 43 again, 42, 42, 41, 41, 41, 40, 40, 38, 2 times 38, 37, 36, 36, 1, 2, 3, 3 times 36, 35, 2 times 35, 34, 33, 30, 29, 28, 26, 22, 21, 20, 17, 15, 12, 7, 5, 4. See, I have again written the data of 50 students in descending order. See carefully, the maximum value is 72 and the minimum value is 4. I have written in descending order because I want to prepare a frequency distribution. The first step is arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. Second step is to determine the range. Now we will determine the step 2 is now we will determine the range. How we will calculate the range? The formula to calculate range is upper minus lower. Upper minus lower. The upper value is 72 and lower value is 4. So our range will be 72 minus 4. So it will come out 68. So our range is 68. So I hope up to here it is clear to you. Now let's make class intervals. Now how we will calculate the class intervals? Now we have to see that. What I am doing here, I am finding number of class intervals. How we will find number of class intervals? For finding number of class intervals, we have one particular formula, and the formula is, note it down, number of class intervals. Formula is range of scores divided by size of class interval. Now range of score. What is the range of score here? We have range of score is 72 minus 4, that is 68. We calculated range of scores, that is 68. 68 divided by size of class interval. Suppose we want to decide that size of interval will be 5. Let's suppose आप डिसाइड कर लेते हो कि आप ऐसे बना रहे हो 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 5 का गैप ले रहे हो, या 0 to 4, देन 5 to 9 आप ऐसे बना रहे हो, 5 का गैप ले रहे हो. लेट्स सपोज आपने ये सपोज किया है, देन साइज ऑफ क्लास इंटरवल इज 5. नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू, we will divide 68 by 5. 60, if we divide 68 by 5, we will get answer is 13.6. So 13.6 means we now our number of intervals will be either 13 or 14 or 15. It is near to 13, approximately 13. It can be 14, it can be 15. एक दो ऊपर नीचे हो सकते हैं. तो अब हमारा अगला स्टेप क्या होगा? Now we have to make the intervals. As my blackboard is small, so I am making intervals like in this area, particular area. Let's start with class intervals. जो हमारे class intervals कैसे बनेंगे? See 0 to 4. I am starting here 0 to 4. Next will be 5 to 9. 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14. Then after 10 to 14 we will get 15 to 19. After 15 to 19 we will get, I'm leaving here space for tallies, mark here tallies, then frequency, again class intervals. After 19 what we will get? 20 to 24, then 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, again I am writing here class intervals, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59, 60 to 64, 65 to 69, and 70 to 74, because we have 72 as last, right? Now what we will do, we will find class interval 0 to 4. We will see tallies. How many tallies comes here? 4 comes only 1. 0 to 4 we will write here 1. For 5 to 9, what we will write? 5, 1, 2. Only 2 words. So we'll mark here 2 tallies. We will mark here 2 ones. These are called tallies. Then 10 to 14. For 10 to 14, what we have? 12. Only 12 we have. As well as for 10 to 14. Only 12 we have. Yes, we will mark here 1. For 15 to 19 we have 15, 17 we have 2. So we will mark here 2. For 20 to 24 we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3. For 20 to 24 we have 3 tallies. Let's mark here 3 tallies. For 25 to 29, let's calculate 25 to 29. 26, 1, 2, 3. We have again 3. Let's mark here 3 tallies. 1, 2, 3. For 30 to 34, 1, 2, 3. Again 3 we have. Let's mark here 3. For 35 to 39, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 tallies. Let's mark here 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, what do we do? For 5 we will write here like this. We will cut it. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 here. For 35 to 39. Our next one is 40 to 44. Let's calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we'll mark here 11. Next is 45 to 49. Let's calculate how many tallies comes here. 45 to 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For 50 to 54, let's calculate 450 to 54, 1, 2, 3. We have 3. 455 to 59, 1, 2, 3. We have again 3. 460 to 64, 1, 2. We have 2 only. 465 to 69, we will have 65 to 69 only 2. Let's mark here 2. 465 to 69. 470 to 74, we have only 1, that is 72. Now convert these tallies into frequencies. 1, it will be written in numeric form as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5 or 3, 8, 5 and 6, 5, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Let's check our answer. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 11, so check here. 5 plus 6, 11. Here is 11. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Here is 11, sorry. Because of less space I have written here. 5 plus 3, 8. After 11 is 8. Then 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. So if you will calculate n, that is sigma f, it will come up 50. So our answer will be 50. So this is the total formula to calculate frequency distribution, prepare a frequency distribution. Whatever the statement is given, firstly we will arrange the data in ascending or descending order. After arranging the data in ascending or descending order, we will calculate range. The formula to calculate range is upper minus lower. Upper, the highest value, and the lowest or the smallest value. We will subtract it, and after that we will find number of class intervals. How many class intervals? We will suppose how many, we will find how many class intervals will come. So then the formula to calculate number of class interval will be range of scores divided by size of class interval. Our range of score is 68, we calculated, and size of class interval, whatever interval you want to make. Let's suppose you want to make class interval size is 10, then you can divide it by 10. But I have taken here 5 because I want to make smaller class intervals. So I will taken here 5. 68 divided by 5, its answer will be 13 point something. So class intervals can be 13 or 14 or 15. After that, what we did, we make class intervals like 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, and we mark tallies. Tallies means from 0 to 4, let's suppose from 0 to 4 how many terms came? Only one term came. For 5 to 9, how many terms came? 1, 2, only 2 came. For 10 to 14, how many came? For 10 to 14, only 1 came. For 15 to 19, 1 and 2, 2 came. In this way we will mark here. After 4, we will write here like this. This is 5. This is sign of 5th tally. And if we will write 5 plus 5, 10, we will write it like this. If we will write again 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12, we will write like this. So after tallies, we convert those tallies into frequency. This is what preparing a frequency distribution. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you, beta.